Right, so we're leaving our second hotel room. Oh, just leave it on the side.
Oh.
There's a key there, look. And a thing past there, look.
Oh, okay.
So we are in lovely Germany. It's a bit damp and a bit wet in this country. I feel like I'm in England, but we do share a lot of similarities, really.
Yeah, they're still ugly, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, yeah.
I have a confession to make.
What are you doing?
I did have one.
A Z3?
Yeah.
I've had 3 Z4s.
Have you?
Yeah, I like the Z4s. I love the rear of them. The front's always been shit though.
Yeah, I totally agree. I had a Z4 and I had a Z3, but it was the 2.8 one, so it had slightly wider wheel arches.
Oh yes, I know.
Still a bit, man. There, so we don't go this way.
Oh, shite. Shizer.
Where the fuck?
That way. That way. Right, so me and Colin have been on the hunt for a gym at McDonald's and now we found it. But one thing that the Germans have is they have their own delivery cars. Look at that. We don't even get that in the UK. You get some ghetto youth on his moped. Anyway, let's go and taste the gym at McDonald's, see what they've got to offer. Oh, it's very clean in here, isn't it? So hello and welcome to a new episode. Today's episode is a bit of a special one. Not only does it have some of the most iconic classic cars in the world, it also has rusty ones, but also in the showroom, some very clean examples. Now, the chap that owns all these classic cars is called Michel Fröhlich, don't speak German. He has granted us full access to walk around his showroom and his grounds to look at his classic cars. We came to Germany to check out his iconic and very famous 50 cars for his 50th birthday car graveyard, but unfortunately that's only open on a Sunday, so we're a couple of days too short because it's now Wednesday. So instead of being disheartened and, you know, sad and walking away with our tails between our legs, he has gave us full access to walk around his showroom. But he has music playing and I didn't want to say, can you turn your music off please, for copyright reasons. So yeah, basically what we're going to do, we're going to go inside and do a bit of recording on the inside. Now this is not like the normal videos that I do because majority of the cars that I do are abandoned or neglected or left to rot. These cars certainly aren't. These cars are absolutely loved and cared for. So let's go. So we have this beautiful Citroen 11BL. Now, I'm not saying I know what this car is because I don't, I've read it from there. I'm no expert, but what I have noticed is it says gangster limousine, and I'm certainly not going to lie, to me this is definitely a gangster limousine. What a beautiful car. Lotus Esprit turbo. That there is just, I'm speechless. See, there's a lot of cars here, an awful lot of beautiful cars, but there's only a certain amount that's drawing my attention. I'd love to have a go at the James Bond one and go in the water. What's the mileage? 103,000 kilometers. So she hasn't done an awful lot, really. Now, a lot of my audience will love this. It's a Renault R5 Turbo 2. The mileage on this is 66,000 kilometers. So again, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I mean, look at this. There's a sobering moment when you find one of these cars in this condition. Just Renault 5 Turbo 2. It's a very special car. And here we have an Elvis. Now, I found several of these cars. I always thought they were, from the back end, in my opinion, they look like the classic Aston Martin, but it's not. It's an Elvis, and I mistakenly called it an Elvis, but you know, it's just my knowledge. I don't know every single car going on the planet. I do get cars wrong, as like I said, I'm no expert, but yeah, this is a beautiful Elvis. The reason I believe it's a stunning car because it looks like an Aston Martin. An Aston Martin DB5. Some of these cars here are cars I've never in my life seen in real life, and it just goes to show if you do a bit of traveling, you get to see some of your all-time dream cars. Michel said himself that he prefers English cars over German. He said that German cars are English cars are Look at this little 300. Wow. What a cute little setup. Got to be careful with this because there's music playing in the background, and you know I've got to like just be careful what I do because well, look at this, look. Yeah, I said, mate, how is that? Look at this Porsche. Some of the cars here, mate, I've never seen them in my life. A lot of these cars are just. I'm sure we could do a decent video there, couldn't we? Cars here are just exceptional. I'm so. Oh look, Lola. Oh, another Lola. Nice little Alfa Romeo here. Got an Austin Healey. The 3000. Yeah, Austin Healey 3000. There's plenty of Mercedes down here, around here. Plenty of Mercedes. I can't believe the chaps allowed us to walk around and just look at these cars. Beautiful Fiat 1500. Look at this Fiat. Paint on this E-Type is just unreal. I'm just blown away. Another beautiful Porsche, AC Cobra. A couple of Mustangs. E24, another beautiful E-Type. This colour's gorgeous, this colour is. Look at this. Jaguar E-Type Series 1 Coupe, Black Friday deal. Oh, they're for sale, everything's for sale. On the way, it's all for sale. What's this say? BMW 630 CS 1978. Beautiful Jag here. That's from the UK, look to 1993. So we've got a UK Jag here. So this UK one, yeah, it's got the tax disc too. So we have this absolutely stunning Porsche here. The mileage is 135,000 kilometers. Porsche 911S 2.7 Coupe. Look at that. This is one of the E-Types, and these Porsches are my cup of tea. You can't beat them. It's just how they look, how they feel, how they smell. These are the type of cars that I drive. None of this fancy Lamborghini crap. These old Porsches, those old E-Type. It's just me all day. Absolutely me all day. Such a beautiful, beautiful, iconic car. So the other car would be this Citroen DS. What a car. I mean, look at the steering wheel. Look how aged it is. It looks like it's been tuned with wrap. Wow. What a car. Full convertible roof. I just love how the back end of this slopes down. Survivor car, you'd call this. Pioneer. And there we have this, what me and Colin think is a replica of James Dean's car. Could be wrong. James Dean's replica Porsche. So then, we're finished here now. We finished drooling and crying, haven't we, Colin? Yeah. So we're going to go outside now and record the second part of the video because this particular area is going to be one video. So yes, we will see you on the second part. Sweet.